Hey everybody, this is Mindy, and I'm gonna do a little video here. But before you even watch this, let me just say I am very frustrated right now with recording. My editing app did an update. I can't figure it out. It's all weird, completely different. Doesn't want to let me do any videos of any length. I'm frustrated with it. I then tried to download it onto my new laptop, and the quality on that was horrible. I'm very frustrated. So I need to work on a new editing app. So for a while here, until I get this all sorted out, the next few videos might be really weird. They're going to be just raw cut until I can figure this out. I don't know if I'll have the membership scroll at the end. I don't know if I'm going to have any music at all. I just don't know. So I'm frustrated. I got to work on it. I needed to do something that I enjoy doing, which is an unboxing. So let's get to it. This was sent to me to review. Yes, I was contacted by a gentleman, and the name will be on here, I think. But asked me if I wanted to review. I have reviewed a product for him in the past, and I'm actually going to review a couple things. This is just the first one that came. And look at how this comes. Diamond painting. Look how it comes. Oh, there's the name. It's Artdot. That's the name of the company, Artdot. This is supposed to be 4 diamond paintings. And I was like, 4 diamond paintings in here? Okay. Are they squished? I don't know. It's a nice box, though. Look at some directions on the back. Tells you a little bit about diamond painting. There's 4 steps. Look at all the gems all over it. It's a nice little box. It came just like this. I mean, you can see the address labels right there. It came just like this, sat on my front porch. It wasn't sealed or anything. It's just like this. So, all right, there are 4 paintings in here. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Wow, this is nice. Ooh, I do not have one of those. Okay, this is cool. Now let's have some drills. Let's have some more drills. Okay. Box is empty. All right, that's pretty cool. There's 4 paintings, 3 bags of drills. Okay, I'm a little worried about that. Huh. Oh, look. Do you see that? That's funny, right? I look in the box and I'm like, nope, look. It's empty. It's hiding right there. Oh my goodness. That's hysterical. All right, so before we look at the paintings, and there's a little piece of the box, look at this toolkit. Okay, wow. Look at the toolkit. It's pretty cool. There's enough wax here to wax the world. Come on. Comes in this nice Ziploc bag. It's filled with wax. Look at this. It's one of those trays that holds the pen. It even has a pen in the little holder. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay, with a 4-placer, maybe 5. Comes with this one. That's a 3-placer, so that's got to be a 5 or 6. Comes with this pen here as well. Look at all that wax. Love the tray. I don't have a tray like that. I might have to try that one out. So that's the toolkit. Pretty cool. 3 pens, bunch of wax, and a nice tray. Wow. All right. Now, their company does these 4 sets of paintings, okay? And there were a few I could have chosen from. This was one of my options, and I was like, yeah. I mean, look at the first one, right? They're like a watercolor kind of painting. Look at the first one. It's a rooster. All right, you guys. We had my family over yesterday for some birthdays. Stop it. I can't edit you out. Stop. Shh. Shh. Oh, dear. She will stop. All right. So we had some birthday party, and stop. My sister came over and examined my chickens, and we looked at them, and we think 2 of the new little chicks are... Stop. 2 of the new little chicks are going to be roosters, we think. So we're going to have a couple new roosters. But I have said in the past, if I get some chicks that are roosters, they will be raised to be nice. We're handling them a lot, feeding them by hand, all kinds of stuff. But anyhow, that's a whole different story. So here's the rooster. All right. I'm going to set these others aside over here for now. There's the rooster. Looks really nice. Toffee, May. Come here. One moment. You have nothing to bark at, and I cannot edit you out, so stop. So, very pretty. Very, very pretty. All right. It says it's a 30 by 40. I do have my measuring tape here. Let's measure and see if it is a 30 by 40. Let's see. I don't think it is, but let's see. No, that's inches. That's not going to help us out. 25. This is probably going to be 35. Yep, 25 by 35. Poured glue. Look at how nice that comes. I mean, comes perfectly flat in that box. That's awesome. Nice and sticky. The canvas is sparkly. I don't know if you can see it, but the canvas is sparkling there. Drill field is beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so it has a code up here, LBA1. So if we look at our drills, LBA1. I grabbed the right ones. Look at that. Here is our key down here, 18 colors. Look at, they all have DMC codes. Nice. Loving this, right? What is not to like about this? Okay, and I'm not going to show all of the colors, all the drills. We'll get into one. Maybe we'll save the last one. We'll open them up. But here's the colors, green, red. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Has the DMC codes on the bags. And the kit number is on every single one. That is nice. I like it. Wow, that's cool. So there's the rooster. That's the first one. All right. This one, this guy's popular. I've seen this one a lot. This cow. The cowgirl. She's a she cow. So she has 26 colors. Again, look at the drill field. Super clear. Everything looks great. There are some 9s and 8s in here. They're similar, but I think I can tell them apart pretty well. Nothing real confusing. These are so nice. Wow. Isn't that something to get a canvas this flat right out of a box? There's the symbol list. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So that is LBA3, LBA4, 2, and 3. Look at that. Pink, blue, teal, lots of teals in this one. Some yellows, browns, tans. Very nice. Very, very nice, you guys. I'm liking this. They had several different sets of 4. They did. Let's see, which one do we want to do? Which one are we going to save till the end? We'll save him till the end. Why not? There's an owl. Very, very pretty. Look at all that pretty teal right there. This one has 16 colors. No, 18 colors. Sorry, 18. The symbol quality on these is beautiful, you guys. It's wonderful. We just have that square of color with the symbol inside. No lines around it. Nice. All you gotta do is cover that letter. LBA4. Let me guess, it's this one? Yep. With all that teal. Look at all that teal. That's all that background. Bunch of greens. Look at those pretty colors right there. Orange and purple, and wow, that's pretty. Very nice. All right, we're to the last one. I'll show you the last one. We'll open up those drills. Okay, here's the last one. He's unique. Deer. Look at that deer. These are so cool. The watercolor effect and whatnot. I don't have anything at all like this. This one has 28 colors over here. Look at all those colors. Look at those. There's some familiar players in there. Nice, right? Everything about this set is just great. Okay, as promised, here we go. We'll get into these drills, okay? I've had packaging before with this purple strip. I'm not certain it's exactly like this, but all right. So if we look at them, let's look at the drills. We want to see the drills. I mean, I don't think you can ask for any better, right? So remember, it has the DMC code on the front. This is number 1 on the canvas, DMC code 151. Look at the coral color, very pretty. These all look great. I think we're gonna have no trouble with these. There's a red, couple of oranges, red, blue, mustard. Very, very nice. Black. Nope, that's 939. Huh. Greens. Super nice, you guys. They're beautiful. Wow. Okay. I'm all for this company. I'm loving it. I might go back and look at some of the other ones that they sell and maybe buy a couple sets. Pink. A blue. Oh, look at this. This is a very light green color. Greenish white. Couple blues. Very nice. And 3865 right there. Very nice. These are going to be great drills. They are great paintings. The toolkit is very unique. I mean, I have never gotten a toolkit like this from a painting before. That's pretty cool. I must say, you guys, look at them. They're beautiful. This one's going to be very greenish. This one's very teal. This one's a little more blue. We got the cow over here, the cowgirl. Well, not the cowgirl, but the girl cow. Then we got Mr. Rooster. Aren't they nice? Super nice, right? That's an awesome kit. I love it. And of course, there's Mr. Deer's drills. Those are sweet. I love it. All right, you guys, the company, as you can see right there, is Artdot. So if you go to Amazon, look up Artdot. And I have another item coming to review for Artdot. And that should be here this week. Check out Artdot on Amazon, you guys. I mean, what's not to love about this, right? Okay, I'm gonna let you go now. You go check out Artdot. I'm gonna do my Amazon review for Artdot and try to put this video out there. So please be patient with me with the videos. Seriously, I literally was in tears earlier. I can't figure it out, and it's really getting on my nerves. I'm still trying to do a good job. So anyhow, there's that. Which one do I want to do? I don't know. The owl would be cool with the teal background. The deer would be great though. But then of course there's the rooster. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go do the things I have to do. You might just get this video just like this until I can figure out this editing situation. So until next time, you guys, hang with me. Just hang with me, okay? I appreciate all your support. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video the way it is, and go check out Artdot. And I'll see you next time. Hopefully the next one will be a little better. See you then.